We all know that proper nutrition is essential for health, recovery, performance, muscle building, fat loss. There's nothing overly groundbreaking with that statement. But we know that life does get in the way. It can be difficult to get in your meals, especially when you're looking at 3 to maybe 6 meals a day that you need to get in. So we developed the most legit product on the market, Clean Meal. Our premium meal replacement powder, which tastes absolutely ridiculous, ensures that you never have to miss a meal again because of inconvenience. So we understand that life can get in the way, but that should not be an excuse for you to miss a meal or substitute it with a crappy option. So whether you need to take ready-to-go meals to work, or you don't have time to go to the grocery store, or you just don't have time to prepare your meals and carry them with you in a cool bag to keep them fresh. Or maybe you're a slow eater, you're a hard gainer, you're on a budget, whatever it is, we understand that. So that's why we want to ensure that you can kill your inconvenience with our convenience of Clean Meal. So what makes Clean Meal so unique? Well, firstly, we wanted to make a meal replacement that was as close to real whole food representation as possible. So let me list that out for you. We have organic quinoa, Swedish oats, whey protein isolate, healthy fats coming from MCT coconut, and 21 vitamins and minerals. So when we're talking about Clean Meal being a whole food representation, let me walk you through what that means. So when you're preparing your meals, let's say your chicken, your broccoli, your sweet potato, and your fats, you're gonna get anywhere between 20 to 30 grams of protein. And then with your carbohydrates, could be anywhere between say 15 and 50 grams of carbohydrates. And then along with your fats, your vitamins and minerals, and your fiber, etc., which is great. That's exactly what you want. In Clean Meal, you do get that. You get your 28 grams of protein. You get your 18 grams of carbohydrates, your 4.5 grams of healthy fats, your vitamins, your minerals, absolutely everything. However, this one is a little bit more convenient, especially if you're in a pinch. So one of the biggest issues when you're looking at meal replacements and gainers on the market is that they call themselves meal replacements, yet a lot of them don't even have vitamins or minerals in their blend. Or they use a vitamin and mineral blend, however, it comes from a synthetic source, which that's just not good. So Clean Meal has a very short ingredient deck. And then when you look at other meal replacements on the market, they have an extremely long list of ingredients, such as artificial colors, artificial flavors, sugars, sugar alcohols, maltodextrin, the list goes on. So you have to ask yourself, is it really healthy for me? Well, I'll tell you what is healthy for you, and that is Clean Meal, because we made it as close to whole food representation as possible. And it's really easy, quick, and convenient because you can shake it up in less than a minute, and it costs less than $2.50 per meal. And we're fully transparent about what's in it. Let's just wrap this up, but I want to cover one more important aspect that makes Clean Meal very unique. We are the first company on the market that uses IOA technology in a meal replacement. But what does that mean? What IOA technology does is that it increases the particle size area of the protein. So your body can absorb up to 36% more protein and 120% more amino acids per serving. So the IO technology is groundbreaking when it comes to the bioavailability, but let me break it down for you. So if you have 2 scoops, which is 28 grams of protein, and then you have up to 36% absorption from our IOA technology, you in actuality are taking in 34 grams of protein. So it really helps with the bioavailability. So in conclusion, as you can see, Clean Meal is a very versatile product. There's no doubt about it. However, we do understand that nothing replaces the authenticity of nutritious food. We just want to make sure that we have the best possible options available for you in a healthy manner. To find out more information on Clean Meal, check out our product page on KAGEDMUSCLE.com.